It's pissing up there. What the fuck? That's just coming straight up out the drain.
You got a bit wet.
Come on. Well, if he got through, we can get through. Oh my god! Watch your hands. You can get through there. Can I actually get through the floodboard now? That is crazy, that is.
It's just never ending. Where does it look?
Going down through there. It just goes on and on. Let's get deeper.
That's getting really fucking deep.
Yeah, I know.
That's fuck.
Have you seen it behind?
Right.